Hello and welcome to Tinker's Lab. Now, we removed this motor, little V motor. I managed to find writing on the side of it. I didn't see it before, but it's quite hard to see, but it is there. So I got the actual model number of the motor itself, little V motor, 12 volt V motor. So if I have to, I'm going to buy a new one to get this drill, little Stanley Fat Max drill, running again. But what we're going to do first, being this is knackered anyway, we're going to take the end plate off, which is basically a housing on there with the brushes in. Because there's a possibility it could still be the brushes. Although I had some continuity in the previous video, there wasn't much. So I'm going to put it in my little vise here, alright? And then we're going to bash it. Sort of. Alright, let's put you on the overhead camera. Oh, let's move this over a bit. There you go. Now, if you look at this, little tags all the way around. It's a bit hard for me to do this because I've got... Well, it's not exactly close. So I'm going to need a little hammer. If I had a hammer... Oh, here is one that I put a new handle on earlier. Then I need something to bash. It could just be a screwdriver. I think it will be. Looking at this. Oh, hang on, some tools in there as well. Yeah, I need to put some small cold chisels. That's what I need. Yeah, I'll have to see if I can source some. There, I've got that screwdriver there. Aha, this will do it. Right, so there's a little tag there. Got one there. Got one there. Once I remove them, I should be able to release that. So I'm going to have to just bash it. Let's just tighten that up a little bit. I don't want to deform the body, obviously. Little move there. Keeps moving. There. Move that out of the way. I have done this before, actually, but long time ago. Picked up with a screwdriver, I think. That'll do it. Cheapy screwdriver, that'll do it. Right, so far so good. Turn it around. So what I could do is some cold chisels, tiny cold chisels. I could make some actually. Harden them up on the little fire. Probably case harden, probably enough. What can I use to make them out of, I wonder? See the positive side. They've got to make sure that this goes back in the right way round. Anyway, to be fair, you shouldn't be able to put it the wrong way anyway. So there's 3 more down here on this side I need to do. Brutal, isn't it? It's brutal. It don't matter, the motor's knackered anyway. So that's what. Because quite often you can buy this section and replace it. Or, if it is the brushes and the brushes could be stuck in the housings, or they're too short. If they are, I might better replace them. It's the brushes. It'd be quite funny if I can get it going by replacing the brushes. More effort than it's worth, mine, but there you go. But we'll see. Aha, so you see it's relaxing itself here. There's a gap there now. So I've done that one, that probably do a bit more. Just there. And it's coming off here now, that's it. This plate here with the bearing in the end. This doesn't matter, if I back it all up, it doesn't really matter because it's knackered anyway. Right, so I should be able to hold that commutator back. There you go. Like so. And that is the bearing. Which is literally, it's not a roller bearing or anything like that. It's literally a bush. A little bronze bush in there that wears on that surface there. Okay. So what we got going on now? So the 2 brushes are in this piece here, and you can actually replace, you can get that part. Like I say, is it worth it? Probably not. Am I wasting my time? Probably. But I'm making a video, aren't I? That's what it is. Just making any excuse to make a video. Now, there is... Oh. Oh. As all of a sudden, has it become obvious what the problem is? Oh. Where is the brush? Can you see the problem here? That side you have a brush, you need two brushes. Obviously a positive and a negative. That is not going to be the brush. That's just literally broken off. Which probably means, where has it gone though? Where did it go? Okay, let's just see if we can pull that out of there. It should just come out. Hopefully not with a whole load of ping pong all over the place. There we go. Alright, so if we look at this, there is a bit missing. You see that there? Should be the same as that one. There. That is on a sprung. That's also a sprung. But the brush is missing. There's a little capacitor just there. See what the capacitor irons out. It basically steadies the voltage. Irons out the sine wave. Yep. I think I've found the problem. Yeah, we've got one brush and the other one is literally broken off. It should be there. These should be the same. So you've got one side making contact and the other side only just making contact. That's why I didn't have very good continuity. It was sort of continuity, but it wasn't very good. So yeah, that's rough. Yeah, snapped off. Oh, that explains it. So it's not the actual motor itself. The motor itself hasn't actually burnt out. That's not burnt out. So, no. There's not many coils on there. I mean, not many circuits. 1, 2, 3. It's only 3. So, that's strange. 1, 2, 3. A bit odd. So, okay. If I can get a new brush, I will. I'll give it a go and see if we can get the motor going again. But yes, I think we can agree that there's a brush missing. Definitely, there's a brush missing from the assembly here. Well, there you go. Maybe I can fabricate one up and get it going again. Maybe. Maybe I can't. Maybe it's just as well to buy a new motor, which probably is, to be fair. Anyway, I think we can rest assured the motor's buggered. And it is the brushes. And are they replaceable? Yes, you can, but it's whether I get the right ones. I imagine you can somewhere, but there you go. Effectively, all I really need is that bit. That one. I need another one of those, basically. Or a pair of. Replace them both. Anyway, time for me to go. I'll say toodaloo, you know. So toodaloo. Don't forget, comment down below.